Alright, this video here is to show how certain clans during clan wars use phishing attacks so that they can see all the hidden objects with the mod that they're using so that they can take out a clan. As you can see, 149 out of a 50-50 clan is one away from perfect. Right here, their number 49 attacked our number 1 and number 2. And here's the replay of that attack. You'll see that they used only a couple of troops right over here in the corner. And here in a second, they will end their attack, not showing any of the hidden items. Now with the mod, they'll be able to go in and practice against our number 1 and find the best way to 3-star them. And this number 49 of their clan will also attack our number 2, and I'll show that one. And it'll be another couple of troops that they lost, and that's it. Alright, so let's go back to our war map here. And we'll go into the war events. Scroll back down. Alright, so there's another number 49. I'm going to show that one real quick. This attack lasted all of 20 seconds. Couple of the troops. And that's it. We'll go back into our war events and we'll search for some more phishing attacks. So there's the number 49 guy. Alright, 47 has done the same thing. This guy actually had 0%. See if I can center this up a little bit more. And his attack's done. Go back into the war results. Search for some more phishing attacks here. Alright, here's a good one. Number 48 hit our number 11. As you can see, he went in with 40-something archers. We're going to go back out and look for some more phishing attacks. Alright, this is their number 50. He had 0 damage done to both of these. Attack lasted 3 seconds, and he was out. Enough to fish, and they'll be able to practice against that base. And let's find the other number 50's attack. And this will be against our number 7. Attack lasted 4 seconds. Not showing any hidden items, but good enough for a phishing attack. So that will, with the mod, that will show them all of our hidden objects and allow them to practice against our bases until they can get a 3-star attack. Number 45 also attacked our 9 and 10 person, doing minimal damage as a phishing attack. 46 attacked our number 5 in a phishing attack. .47 hit our number 4 and our number 3 for 2 phishing attacks. So as you can see, this clan is completely modded up, and they are cheating to win their wars. We're going to show you the enemy team's clan ID. If I can get my camera in focus here. There you go. So that's going to conclude the video of this cheating clan. It'd be nice if Supercell would actually intervene and do something about this style of cheating. Whether it's to revoke their war privileges or refund all of our war points that we had lost and our loot. Thank you.